Hello, good morning to all. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Alaka. How are you? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So, everyone, turn on the camera. Start the class. Okay. So, we did cost price and selling price. Yes. Yesterday, I guess we did this thing. We'll do one more question. This one. Okay. The question is the cost price of 15 article is equals to the selling price of 12 articles. Find the gain percentage. Means 15 articles cost price is equals to the selling price of only 12 articles. What is the this thing uh, gain percentage? So like these types of question when it will come, so you guys take that one article cost is 1 rupees. Okay, so let the cost of one article is 15. Sorry, it's 1 rupee. Okay. Now cost price of 15 article is equals to the cost price of 12 articles. So if I will write cost price CP of 15 articles, so one article cost is 1 rupee. 15 article cost is 15 rupees. So the cost price of 15 articles will be 15 rupees. Did you understand? No. I am assuming that one article cost is 1 rupee. So 15 article cost is 15 rupees. Okay. Now it is given that the selling price, like cost price of 15 articles, is equals to the selling price of 12 articles. So cost price of 15 articles is 15 rupees. Which means that selling price of 12 articles is also 15 rupees because both are same. Did you understand? No. See, one article cost 1 rupees. 15 article cost 15 rupees. Okay. Now it is given that 15 articles cost, which is 15 rupees, is equals to the selling price of 12 articles only. So it means that SP of 12 article gonna be 15 only. Did you understand? No. So selling price of one article will be 15 upon 12. If I will solve it, what will I get? I will get around Um, I'll put it in fraction only. So it will become 5 upon. Now, if I want to compare the gain percentage, we have to make profit, and cost price of 15 article is 15. So what is the cost price of one article? Is 1 rupee. What is the selling price of one article? Is 5 by 4 rupee. So if it is a profit, so if it is a profit, then selling price minus cost price. What is selling price of one article? 5 by 4. What is the cost price of one article? Article 1 rupee. If I will solve it, then it will become 5 minus 4 upon 4, which is 1 upon 4. Did you understand? No. Okay. And if I want to calculate, it will be 0.25 if I will divide it. Easy. Okay. Now, if I want to calculate the profit percentage, then profit upon CP into 100. Now, what is the profit? Profit is 0.25. What is CP? CP I assume as 1 because one particle cost into 100. So it will be 25%. Did you understand? No. Ask me, Christian, Agatha, David, Miracle.
So,
Hmm.
like selling price of 12 particle, how it become 15?
See, it is written. No. Can you read this line? The cost price of 15 article is equals to the
Okay, okay,
selling
yeah,
price
yeah.
of 12 article. So cost price
Okay,
of
so
15 article is 15 rupees, and it is equals to the
yeah.
selling price of 12 article, which is also 15 rupees.
Okay, sir, got it.
Yes, David.
So I had a question. How do you get this -1?
Because this is the selling price of one article, which is 5 by 4, minus cost price of one article, which is one article.
Okay, got it.
And then I make the denominator say I multiply it by 4 and 4. So it will become 5 minus 4 upon 4. This is the common denominator. Got it? No. Write it down quickly. Done, guys? If you have doubt, please ask me, guys. So yesterday homework. Any doubt? Anybody? No doubt? Okay. Okay. Done? No? Put a heading discount. Put a heading discount. Okay. Now, I mean, wherever there is a sale, there is lots of people out there. Hmm? I mean, uh, usually 50% discounts on makeup. All legals are there.
The
50%, yeah,
the one time at one like store in a mall in Mumbai, they had a 1 rupee sale.
yeah.
So the entire mall got like crowded, and then we had to shut down the mall.
See, the sale, the discount, everything, everyone wants. Yes, there's no denying that. Hmm? So, how this discount sale and everything is calculated? Because some scammers they used to call people by putting 85% of discount. They give only 20% discount. Okay, so as a good student, as a good Indian, you need to know how the discount is calculated. So that when you are in the market, you can say, sir, this is not 85%, it's only 20% on it. Okay, so that is why our NIOS they introduced this discount topic. Okay, so what is discount? Discount means giving some relief. Okay, for example, when I was about to buy a car, the car cost was around 8,70,000. Okay, but because of God, I'll say it's a grace of God that I got a GST discount. That was some issues were going on in GST, and I got GST discount. And that same car became a 7,50,000. So I got a 1,20,000 discount. Now that discount is like like I'm happy for that. Who is not happy for the discount? Uh, Tell me a person, he will go, oh no, it's a discount. It's not like that. Discount means be happy. So this is how the discount works. Okay, so discount, before going to discount topic, we'll first understand what is the no, MP. MP. MP is not Madhya Pradesh here. MP is called as market price. Okay, MP is market price, or we can say list price also. List price means it is the price which is without discount, which is without discount. And then discount, we'll learn about the discount. That's some 20% discount, 80% discount, 90% discount, like that. Okay, and then one is net selling price, which is called as discount selling after the discount. Means, for example, this is 100 rupees product. I There's a discount of 20 rupees. So what is the NSP of that is 80. Means the list price after the discount. Okay. Net selling price means selling which is obtained by subtracting the discount. Did you understand? No. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So if we are going to learn this, before that you guys have to write this definition. Quickly write it down. Please. Market price, discount, and net selling price. So we learn about the increased, decrease one, no? Like increased amount or decreased amount. That concept is only used in that. Okay, means now it's a discount. We will not add it. We will subtract it. Simple as that. No. If a store written 80% discount and the cost price like at first MP was 100 rupees and then after discount become 180 rupees. It's not like that. We have to subtract it. 80% discount means subtracting. So this decreased concept will work here. Okay, we learn about decreased concept now, like 80% of 100 rupees. Then whatever the amount will come, you have to subtract from the 100 rupees. We learn now that only will do. We'll do some questions. And I don't know you guys experience this thing or not. Like we know Diwali times many Amazon will bring that what Great Indian Sale and Flipkart will bring that what BBD Big Billion Days sale. I mean, I experience. What about you? You guys have lot of time. You can experience that. That the amount, first of all, it's based upon credit card amount. Okay, so many of the Indians doesn't have credit card. Second thing, the amount in Big Billion Days or in this Great Indian Festival days, that is more than the normal days. I experienced that. That's why. Um, like it, only one time I experienced in which I got a very cheap price. Like I had a like right now the laptop was there, HP Omen, and it was costing around near 78,000 in 78 nine 92,000 normal days. But in that big billion race, I bought it for 68,000. That much discount. So only that time. Otherwise, every time I felt that the big billion days price is more than the normal day price. I don't know. Okay. So now, how to work it? So we'll do one question for more clarity. And who can read well? Nobody can read well. Oh, okay. So this is a question. A quote is marked 2,400. Marked means this is the MP list price, market price. Find its selling price if a discount of 12% is offered. So first of all, what is the market price? What is the MP? The MP will be 2,400. Yes. Now, how much discount is there? The discount will be 12%. Okay. Now, we have to calculate what will be the NSP. Means now how much it will offer. So, I told you how to find the decrease percent because we have decrease, no? Discount is decrease. So first of all, we'll calculate the. See, there are two ways. I will show you both the ways. This is the first way. This is the second way. The first way is first calculate the discount price. So discount price is basically it's a off. So the quote of 20 sorry, there is a discount of 12% of 2,400. So 12% of means multiply 2,400. If I will subtract it, I will get 12 into 24, which will be around 240 plus 290. 290. Then, then what is the NSP? So the NSP will be gonna be like market price minus discount price. So market price was 2,400 minus 298. So it's gonna be 2,102, if I'm not wrong. Is this correct? 112.
1112, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 112. Okay. So this is the first way. The second way is the same way, but just a different thing. The second way is like if I will calculate the NSP. So first discount price. Okay. So I'll write market price minus discount price. Hmm. So NSP is what is the market price? It is 2,400 minus how will you calculate the discount price? The discount was 12% of 2,400. So basically, this is the same thing only, but we merged this step into one. Simple as that. Okay. So NSP will be 2,400 minus 12 upon 100 into 12, 2,400 percentage will cut. So NSP will be 2,400 minus 288. Then NSP is equal to 2,112. Yeah. So this is the same thing. Okay. You guys can see this is the same thing. Here, I first calculate the discount price, then put the value. Here, in the same formula, only I am getting the discount price. So whenever you are solving discount price, the 12% off was there from 2,400. Like that you can go. Got it? So yes or no? Discount percentage. So there is a formula for discount percentage. Okay. Discount percentage formula is discount, we can say discount price upon upon market price into 100. This is the formula for the discount price. Discount percentage. Discount percentage is market discount price upon market price into 100. Now, for example, there's one question. This is a question. A machine is listed means this is the market price, list price. List is 8,400. Is available for 6,300. Now this is the discounted. Now this is the NSP. Okay, market price, and then this is the NSP. Find the rate of discount. So first of all, we have to calculate the how much discount it costs. Did you understand, Christiana? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So first is we have to write all the given thing. What is given? Like this is the MP, Madhya Pradesh, market, which is 8,400. Okay. The second one is this is NSP, net selling price, which is 6,300. Now, how will you calculate discounted price? Anybody unmute and tell? How will you calculate discount price? How much discount? Anybody can dance? Yes, anybody? Nobody? No? Hello. How will you calculate discounted price? For example, David got a headphone of 1,000 rupees, like it was 1,000 rupees as listed, and he got only for 700 rupees. So how much discount he got?
So 30%.
Not 30%. I'm just asking discount price. Price. How much price? It's 300 rupees. No. So in this also, this is the market price, this is the net selling price. What will be discount price? Discount price formula will be market price minus NSP. So market price is 8,400 minus NSP is 6,300. If I will solve it, what will you get? 21,000, 2,100. Am I wrong? Hmm? Then, then what is the formula of discount percentage? Discount percentage is DP upon MP into 100. Now the DP is 2,100, the MP is 8,400 into 100. Then this and this will cut, and then this will become 1, and this will become how much? 4. This will become 100, and this will become 4. So if I will solve this, I will get answer as 25%. The discount is 25%. Did you listen, guys? No. Then okay. They will do this question. We'll do this question. A wholesaler list price of a fan 1,250. Put this question as a star mark, okay? Okay. Is available to a retailer at a discount of 20%. For how much should the retailer sell it to get a profit or to earn a profit of 15%? Means a retailer is buying from a wholesaler at a discount price of 20%. Okay, so first we have to calculate the retailer cost price, like how much is buying. So the market price for that fan is 1250, and then we have to calculate the net selling price of the wholesaler to retailer. Did you understand? No. Anybody has doubt? Ask me, ask me. No. So here the wholesaler market price fan was 1250. Now, of course, got a discount. So, what is the NSP? So, I'm calculating the NSP, which is the market price minus discount price. So, market price was 1250 minus there's a discount of 20% of 1250. So, it will be 1250 minus 20 upon 100 into 1250. This and this and this and this will cut. So, it will become 1250 minus 2 into 125 is 250. So it means rupees. So it means that the NSP of, we can say, the wholesalers NSP of fan was 1,000 rupees. So means wholesaler is now selling it for 1,000 rupees. So of course the retailer will buy it for 1,000 rupees only. Uh, so it means that this will become the cost price of retailer only, which is 1,000 rupees. For example, if David is about to buy a pen, which is very luxurious, okay. So when he got from shopkeeper like 1,000 rupees, okay, so he will give only 1,000 rupees, na? He will not give, no, 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 brother, you take 1,200. No, it's not like that. No. He'll take only 1,000 rupees. No? So this will become the cost price of the retailer also. Now, how much gain retailer want? Quickly unmute your mic and tell. How much gain retailer want to earn profit?
15%.
15%. So this we have the profit percentage, which is 15%, and then we have to calculate what? Selling price. So can you tell me the formula for selling price, please? Selling price is equals to 100 into cost price upon 100 plus profit percentage. If I'm not wrong, please correct me. Is it correct? Formula, I'm asking. Correct? Okay. It will become 100 into 1,000 upon 100 plus 15 percentage. So it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 lakh upon 115. And if I will solve this, then I will get the wrong answer. All of course. Every time.
So the formula is of selling price is cost price into 100 plus profit by 100.
That's why I'm asking. And David was saying, yes, sir, it's correct. It's correct, sir. Not David? Very well. So it is CP into 100 plus profit percentage upon 100. The CP is cost price was 1,000 rupees into 100 plus 15 percentage upon 100. So it will become 115 into 1,000 upon 100. This and this will cut. So it will become 1,150 selling price of a fan. Did you understand, guys?
So,
Yes.
can you, instead of doing all of these steps, can you just directly just do 15 into 1,000, 15 upon 100 into 1,000
15 upon 100
into 1,000?
into 1,000.
I got the same answer. Yeah.
15 upon 100 or
So
115 upon 100?
I can, like, then I get the discount. How much is the discount? Like, no, how much I have to sell? Like, how much profit I'll have to make? Okay, that's a 15% of 1,000. Okay,
Hmm.
so then I just added 2,000 and then I get the same answer.
15 upon 100 into 1,000. Then how will you add 15 and 1,000 in, like,
The,
same two, no?
So he finds a percentage and then he adds it to the
yes.
cost price.
Add
David,
it,
that
no?
could also work, but I think the examiners will be looking for the formulas, not the final answers.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. So we'll stick to this only. Okay. So this is the way you have to do. I mean, not that way. Okay, guys. So because David give another way, so there's a homework for them. So we have homework in the house. Yay! CYP 8.4. Question number one. Oh, you want more? Yes. Question number two. If you guys will not stop me, then I will give more. Then ah, question number three. Ah, four. Ah, five. Nobody's stopping me. Okay.
Stop.
Start,
Just
start, start. I
stop.
heard.
Stop.
I heard start, start, start. Okay, this is the final. Okay. What is the page number? The page number 219. Okay, guys. It's a beginning. Shana. In the beginning, it is the beginning. Okay. So now you guys have 2 minutes break. The packet 2 minutes. We'll start our science class.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, Jeshwan. Bye. Okay, guys, come back. Come back. We'll start the class. Today is refraction of light. Now, what is refraction of light? So, the refraction of light is when a light travels from one medium to another medium, then because of the change in medium, there is the refraction of light is there. Now, what is change in medium? See, change in medium means when a light is traveling, for example, air. Right now, the light is in the air. Okay. Now, there's a glass of water is there. Now it goes to the water. So, air was the medium, which is a gas medium, and water was a liquid medium. So, light is changing. No? So, when a light travels from one medium to another medium, there is a bending of light. That bending of light is because of the phenomenon called as refraction of light. Okay, so I will write it down this thing. When the light travels from one medium to another medium, there is bending of light. There is bending of light, and that bending of light is because of the phenomenon called as refraction. That bending of light is because of refraction. Now, what does this mean? Listen, guys. See, we have an example. You guys can perform this with carefully. Okay, I mean it's on your own risk. You can put a pencil into a glass full of water. So it's very careful you need to be. Okay, okay. So when you will put it, you guys can find it out that this pencil, which is a straight pencil, but now you can see that it's like looking like some bend is there, or sometimes it look like magnifying. Hmm? Why it happens? Because we this is ice, okay, who drink a good coffee. So when this eye is seeing this, okay, there's a bending of light. Now, what happens that this pencil is actually straight. It's not a magical water that bend that is very powerful water that it's breaking the or it's bending the pencil. It's not like that. Okay, it's a normal water. But what happened that when we are seeing from upside, we find it out that our eyes in the air. It's in the air, and the pencil tip is in the water. So if we are seeing or if we are getting this reflection light, so it is in the water and then it is coming into the air, change in medium. Did you understand? Like from water, now the light is coming into the air, change in medium. Now because of this change in medium, we learn that it's a bending of light. There will be bending of light. So what happened actually? We are trying to see this thing, but we got an apparent image. This is not a real image. This is an apparent image, okay, that we are getting because of the change in medium. Did you understand what I'm trying to say? Huh? Like the water has a pencil, but when it is coming to the air, the light is coming to the air, the light bends. And because of the light bends, we feels like the pencil also bends. Did you understand? No. So the bending of lights is depends upon the change in medium, not upon the any powerful water. Okay. So here, what happens? Why the bending of light occurs? Why the bending of light occurs? So there is reason of that also. See, bending of light occurs because you guys can see that. Uh, the light first is it was at air. So air particles are very far away from each other. Hmm? Now the light will enters into the water. Water particles are near to each other. Okay, water particles are near to each other, not as much as solid, but like this. Now, if a light will come from air, which is easily a light can easily pass through air. When it is come to the water side, this side, this is the line of separation, and when it is come into the water, the light speed will decrease because of the lots of molecules which are near to each other. Now, as the light speed will decrease, there will be the bending. So, if I will conclude this, so the conclusion is, for example, this is the water. So, if I will conclude this, that because of the change in medium, the speed of light decreases or increases based upon based upon rarer medium and denser. So now what is rarer medium and denser medium? I will tell you after this. So first write it down. So because the speed of light increases or decreases, there is a bending of every time. Even the speed of light will increase, there also there is a bending. Even the speed of light decreases, there is also the bending of light. Did you understand this?
So when
Yes,
we
sir.
so when light travels to the air, does the light bend?
No, in the air there is a normal, straight, because one medium. But when it is come to the water, medium changes. Medium changes means speed of will be decreased as of course water particles are near to each other. Then it means that it will decrease this and it will show some time. Okay? And even if the water, like if the light is coming from water, the speed of light is already decreased. When it is come to the air, I mean, air particles are very far away from each other. The speed of light will say, wow, freedom. Then also the speed of light will increase, and if the speed of light will increase, there also there is bending of light. So vice versa is there. Bending is always there when the medium changes. Inside the medium, the light will not change. Only in the separation point, there the light will change. Did you understand, Joshua? Write it down quickly.
I wrote it down, sir.
Okay, well,
Sir, can you explain the diagram and what you wrote? I had some glitches.
which thing diagram? This one.
Yeah, the both the diagrams and because of the change in medium, that also.
Yeah. So basically, the light was in air. Now it is going to the water. Air particles are far away from each other. Water particles are near to each other. Because water particles are near to each other, then the light, when it is coming from air and moving towards the water at the point of separation, the particles very near to each other. They will not allow the light to pass easily. So light will bend and the speed of light will decrease. Okay, so here also I read, because of the change in medium, the speed of light will decrease or increase. It can increase also. Because when the light is coming from water, the particles are very near to each other. Now it came to the air, particles are very far away from each other, and there's no like no one is there to stop the light. Then it will decrease. Then also the bending will be there. Okay, based upon the rarer and denser medium. What is rarer and denser medium? I will just teach you right now.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Could you write it up? I'm coming over. Done?
No, sir. Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
because of the change in medium, the speed of
Mm.
light, what is the other thing you wrote? Decrease
Decreases or increases.
or increase? Increase.
Okay. Now put a heading. Put a heading. Put a heading. Medium. Put a heading. Medium. So basically, we have two types of medium. First is rarer medium. First is rarer medium, and the second one is denser. Now, what is rarer medium? So, rarer medium is the medium in which particles are far away as compared to denser. We will have, because light will travel in two medium, so we will have obviously two medium, like air and water. So, which has more particle far away? Air. Then it means that air is a rarer medium. Do you understand? No. Christian, did you understand? Joshua Miracle. Rarer medium is a medium in which the particles are far away. Okay, hence rarer medium. Air is a rarer medium. So in this, it's a medium in which particles is far away as compared to denser medium. Okay, and what is a denser medium? Yes, Christian.
So when you say particle is far away, do you mean like the distance or the gap between the particles?
I mean, particles are far away means gas or liquid. Now, in gas, we have the particles spread, no, all over there.
They're like separate.
Uh, yeah, means the distance, we can say both are same, no? They have distance between them is more in gas as compared to liquid. So both are same.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in which particles are
Nearer.
near to each other as compared to rarer. Compared to rarer. Did you listen? No. Now,
The
put a.
when you say particles, like
Right?
yeah, sorry. When you say particles, like the medium, rarer medium, is it like a medium aluminum or like that, or what is this?
No, particles. The we know na matter is made up of particles,
Yeah.
small particles. That is medium. Like
So
if I will compare, yeah,
when you when you make it really big, that particles is it?
yeah. So, for example, if I will talk about water and glass, so we know that water is a liquid medium. So the particles gonna be look like this. It is closely packed, no?
Yeah.
So why put I put liquid in the rarer medium? Because when I compare it, remember this thing. When I'm comparing, it's not fixed that water always come in rarer medium. When I'm comparing glass, which is a solid, the particles are tightly packed.
Okay.
So we need to see that both of the medium, which one is rarer and denser. It is not fixed that solid will always come in a denser or the liquid will always come in a rarer. It's not fixed. We have to compare. So obviously the light can easily pass through this, but from this it needs the speed of light will decrease. Decreases when medium comes. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now put the put the heading behavior of light while changing the medium. Put a heading behavior of light while changing the medium. Now we have to say light behavior. Okay. So of course there can be two possibilities in changing the medium. Light is traveling from rarer to denser, and the second one is denser to rarer. Did you understand? Huh? There can be two possibilities. Any third possibility? So there can be two possibility can be occur. So when light is coming from rarer to denser.
Um, my screen is it's glitchy, so uh, it's what you wrote the heading behavior of light. Um,
While changing the medium. While
yeah.
okay. Now listen to it. So uh, Nidhi, yeah, perfect. Okay. So here we have the behavior of light while changing the medium. Means first is when light is coming from rarer, and this is the below one is denser medium. Now, can you give one example of rarer and denser? Any example? Miracle, can you give any example of rarer and denser? In like you have to compare two medium in which the particles are far away, that will be the rarer. The
Yeah,
particles
like
is very
can
close.
we take water for rarer?
Mhm. Then
Hmm,
denser.
that is gas, no?
No, no. I mean, if you will taking water as a rarer, then denser won't be gas because denser particles are far away.
Maybe wood.
I mean, you can say glass, simple. Because wood, the light will not pass. No, it's a opaque object.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is denser medium. Okay. Now, basically, there are three types of rays is there in this also. The first ray name is incident ray. This is the incident. Okay. Incident ray. Here also we have the same thing. First, its name is incident ray. This one is incident. Now, in the reflection also we have normal ray. This will also have normal ray. So, so what is a normal ray? The definition of normal ray is it is an imaginary ray. It is an imaginary ray that no, it's an imaginary ray that is arises perpendicular to the surface. So, for example, this is the medium separation, and it will always perpendicular to this. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Okay, so I'll mark this also as a line of separation. This thing is line of separation. LOS. Instead of LOC, I wrote LOS. Line of control. Okay. So now, when light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, there is a bending of light, and the bending of light will be towards the normal. So repeat after me. We have to learn this, okay? So the light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium. Then light will travel towards the medium. Gonna be look like this. This is how the bending will work. Okay. Okay. I'm repeating again. When a light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, the light will move towards the north. Okay. You guys have to learn this. So
Sorry,
this light
can
is
you repeat that again?
when light is traveling from rarer to denser, then light will move towards the north. So, for example, this is a normal ray. If nothing is there, then light will travel straight like this, but it moves towards the normal, bends towards the normal. So this is refracted ray. Now, we here also we have angle I. This is the angle I, which is the incident ray and normal ray, and this is the angle I.
So it will move through what did you say? Can you repeat it again? The last word?
Sorry,
Like what did you say? The light will move towards the after that.
normal, towards the normal. Yeah, I'll write that point also.
So the lines we learned, this is whichever line the rays we learned, that is in levels, right?
That is
Well, there is incident ray, reflected ray, normal ray, as we learned past.
that was reflected. reflected. That is reflected. Now, the different concept is there. It's refractive.
Oh, okay. So when
Okay.
you were saying that, I thought reflection. Sorry, wrong.
No, it's not. That is a different thing. Okay. Next one is when light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. When light is traveling from denser medium, turn on your camera, everyone, to rarer medium. So, anybody, can you tell me an example of this? Now, don't say glass and water. Say anything else. Anybody? Christiana, can you give it a try? Uh, water and gas or air. So, water is a denser medium, and this one is rarer medium. Uh, which one? Air. Okay. So now in this case, what happens? In this case, it gonna be look like this. This is a incident ray, of course, and then a ray which is perpendicular to the surface. It is called as normal ray. This is a normal ray. And then in this case, what happens that light will move away from the normal. The light will move away from the normal.
So
Yes.
when we draw the normal ray, we should touch the incident direction.
Not touch. The tip should touch, no?
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So here, um, this is the angle light. This is the angle. Okay. So in this case, what happens? We will write some points. The first thing is, the first point is when light coming from rarer medium to denser medium, light moves towards normal. This is the first observation that we got. That light moves towards normal. Got it? And in this what happened? In this what happened? Light. So I'll not write full sentence. If light is coming from denser to rarer, from D to R, in this case, light moves away from normal. Everyone got this? Yes.
So the first one is towards the normal, and the other one is away from.
Yes. Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Who has doubt?
So where is the light refracting over here?
Where is the ray?
Where is it refracting?
This is the reflection, no? The bending of light. I told you. Reflection
So
is
in
bending
the
of light.
demiurge medium on the right side. The demiurge medium and the rarer medium. That. You
This
said,
one.
yeah, like down, if it's reflecting in air, like so it's not visible to a naked eye. Seems like
No, if you will take a laser light,
okay.
you will see the bending.
Okay, you're saying laser light. Okay.
What happened? And lots of humidity is there, no, in Bangalore right now. That is okay. No problem. Okay, so second question is that right now, can you give me one more observation quickly because we don't have so much time. Can you give me one observation that you can see in this diagram? Let's say this is the observation. Quickly. Any observation? And I'll give a hint. This here it's the observation. Yeah,
The angle I and it's not equal to angle R.
correct. It means that here the angle I is greater than angle R. And here, what is the observation?
That's equal. No,
The angle R is greater than angle R.
really? It doesn't look like.
Yeah. And the third observation is that speed of light will decrease when it is coming from rarer to denser, as we learn in the above theorem. And here, the speed of light will increase when it is coming from denser to rarer. These are the comparison. Any problem, guys? Quickly ask me.
The speed of light will decrease when it comes from rarer to denser,
Denser.
and
Hmm.
vice versa.
Yeah, vice versa. Like speed of light will increase when it's coming from denser to rarer. So these are the main things that we need to remember. Then we can do the lens part or the refraction part very easily. Everyone got this? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Who has doubt? Muraki has doubt? Yes, Murakun. Allowed.
No,
No
sir.
doubt?
No.
That's it. Very good. Yes, David went for to kill Goliath. Ah, he's there.
The what?
I I thought that you are in the space and waiting for a Goliath. That's all. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is how we'll complete today's class, and then on Monday we will start refractive index, I guess.
On Monday we have presentation, I think.
No. Yeah, one. Thank you for reminding Miracle. Yeah. So Abraham is not, guys, ready, or we can say like he was busy throughout the week. So we'll do on the next Monday. That is the final day. The second thing is sorry for the delay and postpone. But the thing is, I want everyone to participate with their whole like full model and all. So if you are preparing it well. So what? But that is final. Okay. After that, I can't postpone it because I have to complete the course. I can't make delay. So that means, can you guess the date? Can you check the date? Quickly. Rebecca ma'am is testing me. That leave my class like
20th.
that.
20th.
Yeah, 20th. So 20th will be then the final day for the presentation. Prepare well. Okay. and Christian and me will be as a judge, and we will judge. I mean, even though there is a log in my eye, but still we will judge. Okay, just a meeting for that. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. We'll meet on Monday with the maths and science. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you, sir.
you.
Bye, sir.
Bye. 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 Thank you.